Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel. Today is a great episode. My name is Rocky for those of you who are new to my channel, but for those of you who are not, welcome back. Thanks for always watching. So, as you know, if you've been watching some of my other episodes, my birthday was a couple of weeks ago. And what I did to celebrate was pretty cool. I partied until I couldn't party anymore, but also, if you're like me, you still love and you still get birthday gifts. This year, my parents gave me money, and instead of doing something responsible, I blew it all. Well, I didn't blow it all. I blew a good amount of it, and I blew it on dumb things. And I'll share that with you. And then I'll also share with you a few of the gifts that I got, some of the cool, surprise gifts that I got from some of my friends. So I'll share that with you as well. So what I did was, do you know how when you're just up late and just on the internet scrolling through different websites like Amazon, and you see a bunch of cool things, you're like, one day I'm going to get this. So let me put this in the safe for later, or on my wish list and all that good stuff. So I had like pages and pages of things that I love but never bought because I'm like, I don't know if I want to waste my money on this or spend my money on this. But when my birthday came around and I had this extra cash, guess what I did? I bought all of it. So let me show you the things that I bought. The first thing I got as a gift, this was an awesome gift. You've probably already noticed that I do wear a Fitbit all the time. And I've even done a video on how to style your Fitbit, because the Fitbit isn't all that cute on its own. It's like really athletic looking. And if you're trying to be dainty and pretty, that rubber looking band, that black band on your Fitbit doesn't look great. So I wear it all the time. My family knows that. And so my husband and son got me a new Fitbit. They upgraded me. So I had the Blaze before. I have the Ionic now. Let's see. What's the best way to show you this? I have the Ionic now. And it came with just some gray band. But what I did was once I got this, that's what sparked me to go down that path of buying all the things that I've ever wanted. So I bought a whole bunch of bands. This is the first one. This is one. I got a gold band. I got a silver band. And then I got some silicone. Is this silicone? I don't even know, but these are sort of rubbery. But I got a white one and a pink one. I don't know if you can see that very well. But I got a white and a pink in addition to this silver and this gold. Then on top of that, I also got screen protectors or screen shields. I find these are great because I bump into things all the time when I'm walking. I don't know why. I feel like things can go through me, but they can't. So got these shields, and I think those will be great. The next thing I got, and this is where the funny story begins. I got a set of 3 of these items, and what these are little alarms or sirens that you keep on your person in the event of an emergency. So I live in Chicago, and I'm not going to carry a gun, and I don't know that I'm going to be quick enough or smart enough with mace, but I can deal with this. So it comes in a set of 3, and it has a cool flashlight. Pretty bright, right? I got a flashlight, and it also, when you pull this string, it sounds an alarm. And I'm going to go ahead and let you hear that really quick. It's pretty loud. So this and this, I think, are pretty good. So this was the first thing that I started showing my husband. So he's like, all right, that's all right. But then when I got to these other things, he started to just yell out something that sounded like "wham." So... and I'll tell you what that means. So I got these sunglasses. You guys know I love sunglasses, but these are pretty cool. They almost have like, remember those slap bracelets we used to have as kids? Where it wraps, but the arms of these are slap bracelets. So the purpose of this is that it won't fall off your face. You can be active and all that good stuff, and it won't fall off your face. And those of you know I love to dance. This is pretty awesome. They won't fall off my face. So I got these, and of course, and they bend too. So hard to break, and you can kind of carry them really well, or whatever the case may be. So even if it does fall off my face, they won't break. So this was one, and I got the wham. So I'm like, what the heck? All right, next thing then. Those of you who are curly and natural, or really into taking care of your hair, I got these microfiber hair wraps. They are, like I told you, you can't use the regular terry cloth towel to dry your hair because it rips at the, basically at the fibers of your hair. So these are designed for your hair, so they'll protect your hair. So once you wash your hair, you put these on. Whoa, help. And it buttons. Help. And this comes in a pack of 3. So it has 3 colors, pink, purple, and the blue, which I have only used the blue. But when this one gets all wrecked, I'll have a couple extra. And that was met with a wham. And I'm like, what the heck? Next thing I got was charcoal activated toothpaste with coconut oil and bentonite clay. And it's supposed to whiten your teeth. Chemical free, fluoride free, glycerin free, toxic chemical free, cruelty free, and GMO free, gluten free. But there's toothpaste in here. It's not empty. It's free of a lot of things, but there is toothpaste in here. And I've always wanted to try it. I like the charcoal mask that I use. That works pretty well. So I said, let me try the toothpaste. And then my husband said, "Wham." And I'm like, what the heck is wham? And he's like, waste of money. So I continued. All right, the next thing I got was, and ladies really know this one. You might wear like sneakers or some ballerina flats, and you need like little slip-on socks so that your feet are not all gross and sweaty in your shoes. So I bought a pack of 10 of these. These are like lace ones with a little bit of grippy on the bottom and a slight padding on the bottom and back. So I like these. I got 10 pairs of these, and they came in different colors. They came in black, gray, nude, white, and pink. Yeah, so got all of those colors. I think these are a great purchase, but again, met with a wham. I don't know why, but I'm going to wear them. Then I also got a motion sensor light bulb. This probably is the most boring out of everything that I got. But the light bulb itself is motion sensor, so I don't have to buy like a special light fixture. I want to put this on my porch, so this is for the house. The next one I got is a pack of gold buttons, and I know you're like, what? Why did you buy gold buttons? Well, I refuse to pay all that money for a Balmain blazer. I have tons of blazers that I can put gold buttons on, and that's what I bought these for. These are very similar to the Balmain buttons, and I'm going to make my own dupe. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. So not paying $2,500 for a blazer, maybe $25, but not $2,500. Boom. The next thing I got was these comfort cozy headphones, and this is for travel. These are it's almost like ear warmers for in the winter, but it has speakers on the ear part, so you just wear this around your head. I'm not going to do that right now. Plug this into whatever it is, whatever device you're listening to, and then I'm always cold on the plane, and this is very comfy. I think it'll make me feel all snuggly and make it clear to whomever is my seatmate that I don't want to talk, because I never want to talk. And I think this is pretty cool. The next thing I got was a portable clothes steamer. Those of you who know me know I do not iron, and that's probably not a good thing. Not. As a professional woman, you need not be wrinkled. So, got a portable steamer. Hopefully, I will put it to use. I used to have a big steamer. That one, I don't know what happened to it, but let's see if I'll use it. Next thing I got, super, super cool, is a heated cap. This is good for, deep conditioning your hair and all that good stuff. So you put whatever you are conditioning your hair with, microwave this thing, put it on. I forget how long it stays here. The first thing is a digital tea infuser or tea steeper. I drink a lot of tea, and if you can see here, I drink a lot of tea. So, yeah, a lot of tea. Anyway, this is going to come in handy. I won't have to use a pot on the stove. I have a kettle that I use on my stove. So now I have a digital one that I can use and just kind of set it and forget it, and it'll do what it needs to do. Put my tea in there. I don't have to do multiple steps. Yeah. The next thing I got was an air purifier for my car. My car is actually not smelly, but I got it anyway. I'm just like always, I don't know, always thinking about like when guests get in my car is the air fresh, without having to spray like any or put any air freshener in the car. So this one will be naturally fresh, deodorizes naturally, which I am a fan of, but I mean electronically, but naturally. The next thing I got from this crazy Amazon haul was an ode to the short girls. When you wear your seatbelt, that seatbelt is always like, right? You guys know what I'm saying. It just sits right here. I have no idea what that's all about. So I bought seatbelt pads that are decorated with the style of car that I have. So I bought those seatbelt pads so that I'm not always getting choked and cut and whatever. Usually you, as a short person, you wear it improperly, or you're always adjusting it while you're driving, or trying to lean out of the way. So this one sits comfortably and love it. The next items are other wish list items. These are non-Amazon items, and let me get started. The first one is a shirt. I've always wanted to get like corny, silly, not silly, but corny house music t-shirts. I love them. So I got a t-shirt. I got two of them. I don't know where the other one went, but this is another one that I got. One t-shirt here that I got at a picnic that was playing house music. Then on Instagram, have no idea, they're always stalking you on Instagram and Google, but on my feed, a brand called Rocky Boots popped up. Have no idea, I think it's more of an outdoorsy brand, but it had the word Rocky on it, and I am very country. I always have to have my name or my initial on all of my stuff. So got the Rocky, and got another shirt. I got a Rocky, and then I also got a pullover with Rocky on it, but that turned out to be too small. It was a children's pullover, so I returned that. The next one is more of the same countryness, and this is a t-shirt from Urban Outfitters with a big old R on the front. It's really long, so I'm going to cut it and make it into a crop top, of like a boxy crop top. And on the back it has the number 16 on it, and which is my lucky number. So it turns out it was serendipitous. I needed to get this shirt. It had my initial and my lucky number on it, so got it. The last item I took a gamble on. It is an item from Wish. Yes, wish.com. It is an oversized pair of an oversized jumpsuit, really wide leg with pinstripes, and I think it'll be cute. I don't know. I tried it on in the office over my clothes, and my coworkers laughed at me, so I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I have one more item coming in from Wish. The timing in which you get your parcels varies, I think, with when you're dealing with sites like that, like Wish and whatnot. So I have no idea when I'll get it, but I did get this, and I took a gamble because Wish, right? Wish list items, and I thought, why not? So those are all the things that I bought with my own coin. Well, not my own coin, with my birthday coin. And let me know what you thought of those things. And then I'll share with you really quick some of the cool birthday gifts I got. I already told you about the Fitbit. Some of you who know me very well, know that I always have chopsticks with me. It's a weird thing. I eat everything with chopsticks. It could be salad. It could be Mexican food. It could be Italian. I eat spaghetti. I will eat anything with chopsticks. I think maybe the only thing that I have not eaten with chopsticks is cereal, which I don't know why I haven't, because I do eat soup with chopsticks. So my coworker got me some Star Wars chopsticks, and if you pull the tab, they light up. But I just haven't activated them yet. Yay. The next one, my coworker got me some bath oil. This is from Sabon, but this is pretty cool. It's a rose tea scent. And then the last thing is really cool because, again, I'm country that way and I like my name on things. It's a wristlet. It's a wristlet wallet with my name on it. So that is a very special gift. So that brings me to the end. And let me know what you liked. Tell me if you liked any of this stuff. Do you think I need to return all of this? And was my husband right? Was all of this a waste of money? I don't think so. I'll use them all. And I think if it makes you happy, it could never be a waste. but you might agree with them, and I'm okay with that. Let me know the things that you liked, the things that you thought were cool, the things that you thought may have been a waste. And I still have some money left. If you have some things in your wish list item that you think I need to know about, tell me, because I just might buy it. And as usual, please subscribe, please subscribe. However I usually put it on the screen, I need you to subscribe. Bye guys, thanks for joining.